Hi, everyone. Just wanted to ask a simple question to all you guys. There's no wrong answer here. It's about finish sanding. A lot of people, pipe makers I've talked to, they talk about when they're sanding, they'll go right down to 3,500 and they'll get their smooth finish and what have you. I thought that was a good idea, but I remember talking to Rad Davis one time, and he pretty much burned it into my head that he sanded down to 600 because after that he would buff, and the buffing compound would be 800 grit. And if you sand it down to 3,500, you're putting scratches back in the wood technically. Um, I kind of thought he was full of it as a young pipe maker, but after testing it, I was like, wow, Rad's right again. So I have been kind of making it a point now when I'm making my pipes to just follow his advice and sand right down to 600, and that'll be that. There's no wrong answer here, but I'd be interested to hear what you guys have to say. All right, have a great day.